Hey guys, Cliff with Curry Custom Cutlery. At some point these knives are all going to start to look the same. This is a Nakiri. It's got some chipping along the edge. I've actually got a finer grit belt. It's going to be an 80 grit belt. We're just going to go ahead and I'm going to go grind down like this. We're going to put water on them and then we're going to remove those chips and damage, and then we're going to thin back so we can keep some of that cladding exposed. And that's kind of the critical thing that separates the men from the boys. So I am going to get it wet because it is thin, and then we are going to come right in. I'm just going to follow the contour. You can see it's almost already gone. What we want to do is we want to stop right there. We'll double check. We're right at the point, so by the time we finish cutting in the new bevels, we've tried to remove as little material as possible. Then I'm going to come in fairly low. And this is that step to kind of thin back the cladding a little bit. There we go. We'll do that on both sides. You can keep it wet if you need to. You can see the water is not evaporating, so that's how not hot we are. Perfect. Then I'll do my come down onto the thing. I'm just blending it and thinning it even more. Then we'll come over here. I'm going to satin polish all the way up to the sideline right there. And I adjust the angle slightly as I do it so we get that full shine. And now we'll go ahead and do the final sharpening right here. Very light. This is going to put just the tiniest little bevel. And that'll hopefully give it a little strength so it doesn't chip out again. And final stropping step. Hey!